Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Ramadan Mubarak again to everybody.
Ramadan Mubarak.
We're gonna go inside Food Basics and check out some decorations that they've done for Ramadan. Not a lot of decorations are done here in Toronto for Ramadan. You can just show them. There's nothing on the stores or anything like that here. But I think that they've done some stuff inside here. So let's go check it out. Come on. Tell you right there. So they start in produce. Oh, but your finger. They start in produce and they go all the way in the back, and then the whole aisle is there. So the produce. Yeah, they've done decorations. Well, that's what we're doing. Stop.
What is
It's decoration. Yeah, they do. They have a whole house. Oh, look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this little thing that they have. It's so cute.
Yeah, this is good. Oh my god. Oh, I want this one, please. Oh, please. Where's the, oh my god, it's a huge chunk of beef. I want this. You can tell how little is in there. 75 grams. My Skittles thing was 95 grams. My Skittles had more in it than this. Chicken. Ta. What, I'm just supposed to keep on showing this? Oh, come on, I showed.